Today we're learning the first thing every coder learns, how to add two numbers.
Ready? Let's go.
Python can talk with you. When you write input, it asks the user a question. Input asks the user a question.
Type your number when it asks.
Input asks a question. Easy. We store the answers in variables. Think of variables like small boxes where we put information.
A variable is a box where you store things.
We name our boxes, like A and B. Then we add the numbers using plus.
Means addition, put them together.
We can save the answer in another box. And finally, we show the answer using print.
Print shows the result on the screen.
Remember, we use the keyword input when you ask a question, variable, a box, plus, addition, and the keyword print to show the result.
Awesome, you did it. Great typing. High five.